Unit 5. Who, where, prepositions of place, the. Who is she?
She is Laura. Where is Alice?
She is under the tent.
Where is Brian?
He is in front of the tree.
Where is the computer?
It is on the desk.
Where are the puppies?
They are on the mat in the doghouse. Where is the rabbit?
It is behind the tree. Who is the boy next to Susan?
He is Alex.
Grammar tips.
We will look at tips for what you just listened to. Tips for who. We used who to ask about a person. The word who comes before be verbs.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. Who are you? I am Susan. Susan is the answer to the question, who are you? Who is he? He is a policeman. Who is she? She is a teacher. Who are they? They are cooks.
Right and wrong.
Now let's look at the right and wrong section. What are you? This is wrong because what asks about things. Who asks about people. Who are you? Who is they? This is wrong because they is plural. We need to use are with they. Who are they?
Grammar tips.
We're doing tips for where, prepositions of place. We use where when asking about a place. Where comes before be verbs. The preposition of a place is used to show where things and people are.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples of prepositions. In. Where is the pencil? It is in the pencil case. On. Where is the plate? It is on the table. Under. Where is the bee? The bee is under the flower. Behind. Where is the bear? It is behind the tree. Between. Who is she? She is Emily. She is between Steve and Jane. Next to. Who is he? He is Tom. He is next to Emily.
Grammar tips.
We have tips for using the. We use the for a noun that is already said or it's known among the speakers.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. It is a rose. The rose is in the garden. We use the for rose because we already talked about the rose. Next, it is a rose. A rose is in the garden. Here we are talking about two different roses. So we use a rose in the second sentence. It is a rose. A rose is in the garden. If you're talking about the same rose, this sentence is wrong. You use the rose if talking about the same rose. This is a puppy. The puppy is in the park. We already know about the puppy, so we say the puppy. This is a puppy. A puppy is in the park. Here we are talking about two different puppies. This is a puppy. A puppy is in the park. If this is the same puppy, then these sentences are wrong. We already know about the puppy, so we should say the puppy is in the park.
Quiz.
We will circle the right word. Where, who is she? She is Emily. Here we are asking about a person. So we use who. Who is she? Where, who is the boy? He is between, next to Emily. Here we are talking about the place of the boy. So we use where. Where is the boy? He is next to Emily. The doll is in, on, under the bed. You can see in the picture, the doll is on the bed. Where is the girl? She is between, in front of, behind the dolls. In the picture, you see the girl is between the dolls.
Quiz.
We will fill in the blanks. Blank is he. He is Jake. We are talking about a person, so we use who. Who is he? He is Jake. Where is she? She is blank the chair. In the picture, you can see she is behind the chair. Where is Anna? Anna is blank the car. In the picture, you can see Anna is next to the car. We will write a question. The answer is, it is under the chair. Under the chair tells where something is. And we are talking about the cat. The question is, where is the cat? The answer is, he is a firefighter. We are asking about a person. So we use who. The question is, who is he? We will find the mistake and correct it. Where is the plate? It is under the table. You can see the plate is not under the table. It is on the table. Where is the man? He is in front of the tree. In the picture, you see the man is not in front of the tree. He is behind the tree. Who is the woman? She is in the boat. The answer talks about where the woman is. So the question is, where is the woman? Who is the boy? He is on the playground. On the playground tells where the boy is, not who he is. The question should be, where is the boy? We will make a sentence using the words below. The first letter should be a capital. Is she Anna? The sentence is, she is Anna. Is in the bedroom she. The sentence should be, she is in the bedroom. On the chair, the doll is. The doll is on the chair. Is the cat under the chair? The cat is under the chair. Is where the flower? Where is the flower? Is the flower between two books? The flower is between two books.